are various techniques to develop metacognition, most applicable in various learning contexts. One of our favorite methodologies is Map to T.A.G. and combines T.A.G. feedback with a self-mapping activity of personal learning processes to obtain results in a metacognitive direction. So our Map to T.A.G. consists of 4 phases. Map. Invite students to draw a personal map about their learning by answering 2 questions. What have I learned? And how did I reach this knowledge? Noting all the steps, underlying obstacles, and difficult passages, highlighting the successes. Then students work in pairs. They share their maps with their partners and discuss through the T.A.G. structure. Telling the partner what he/she likes about his/her work. This is usually the easiest part of the feedback cycle. Asking a thoughtful question. This takes a bit of modeling, and it can be useful to have sentence starters for this section. Giving the partner a positive suggestion to improve the learning activity. When we use this technique with a metacognitive objective, we have to remind the students that they have to work on the learning process, not on the knowledge. You can provide students with a template and a list of possible questions. T.A.G. feedback is a competency-based learning strategy useful to make students' feedback meaningful, but also to encourage self-reflection, to assess and improve their contributions, to stimulate active listening, to push a positive attitude during critical analysis. It is particularly useful combined with a mapping activity to develop metacognition because the dialogue among peers about the ways to learn can be really fruitful.
If we would propose a metacognition activity for a classroom of more than 100 students, at the beginning of their university curriculum in a STEM course, we suggest a small variation. Instead of asking students to draw their maps, we can set a short online test with 3 to 4 questions about their learning activity. Which topic do you feel you know best? Among these topics, which one was the most complex for you to learn? What were the most effective activities that enabled you to learn best? What do you know now that you didn't before? Whatever. We can use a student response system like Socrative, WooClap, Pool Everywhere, etc. Students answer individually, but are invited to compare their answers in pairs and understand their respective answers, helping each other to understand why they answered similarly or differently. The activity can take 15 minutes and students have to move around, so it would be easy to perform in class, even big ones.